Welcome back to economics learning. Today we discuss what is investment banking. Today we discuss what is investment banking. Investment banking in a common language can be understood as a part of a banking system specialized in raising funds for an organization or individual. Governments and other entities along with providing financial aid in important decision making like merger, acquisition, diversification, and reorganization. Investment banking also includes activities like initiating initial public offering, underwriting of a new securities guidance in the placement of stocks, conducting financial research, and so on. Struggling to raise capital for your business, need advice on issuing your securities in a stock market or assistance in financial management. No worries, investment bank in is a package of solutions to all your financial problems. Let's understand investment banking business in detail. Every business plan needs a monetary investment and financial management for its execution. However, the owner and his team can arrange and manage finance for a small scale businesses, but large scale startups and well established corporates units both public and private requires huge finance to run their business. The primary concern of a big unit is the investment and management of the massive finance of these units. At this point, a concept of investment banking pops as a solution to all the financial problems of the big enterprises. Investing banking businesses is divided into two parts, selling parts and buying parts. Selling part under this investment banks analyze the financial market, promote and sell the debt and equity securities on behalf of their clients with the motive to arrange funds for their projects. Buying part investment banks buy the securities on the large scale for investing in mutual funds, pension funds and insurance for money management. Investment banks are financial institutions that deals in massive and complex financial transactions. These banks are separate from commercial banks on the ground that investment banks don't accept public deposit but rather work with a major objective to help their clients to raise capital for their project. These banks hire financial expert as investment banks. Investment bankers have a complete knowledge of their current economic affairs of the world, so they can make correct and appropriate recommendations to their clients about investments and other financial activities. Investment banking is a highly competitive business that require expertise in finance, economic affairs, and business strategy. What do investment banks do? When we think of activities of investment banks, our thoughts revolve around one fact. Investment banks help their clients on raising funds for their businesses. But in reality, there are a number of financial services provided by these banks. Let's talk in brief about them. First point is advice on the issue of new securities. Investment banks conduct proper research and analyze the financial market condition, economic affair, and other business strategies to provide the best advice on the issue of both debt as well as equity securities to their clients. They extend their recommendation on the pricing of the securities and also help in completing all the paperwork. Second point is raising funds. When we talk about the business projects in of investment banks, helping the clients raise funds for the project seeks our major attention. They help in the issue of securities, which is the main source of capital for any institution and also suggests other source of capital besides it suggests the appropriate debt equity ratio for the businesses after analysis of market condition. Third point is underwriting facilities. Underwriting becomes important especially in the case of IPO because as per the Companies Act 2013 on the company can issue the share without receiving the minimum of 90% of the subscription application to avoid getting into such situation. Companies avail of underwriting facilities from investment banks as an underwriting. These banks they buy the securities from the company directly and then sell them to the investor. They bear the risk of the undersubscription for some commission. Fourth point is trading securities. Investment banks trade on debts and equity investments on behalf of their clients or on their own accounts. Fifth point is guidance in merger acquisition and organization. Investment banks advise about the worth and opportunity of the company in case of merger acquisition and reorganization. They extend their advice on valuation, negotiating terms and structuring the deal. Sixth one is last financial advisor. Investment banks don't not only extend their valuable suggestion and advice on above mentioned but serve a financial advisor for institution clients even in the case of buy back of the shares and this investment bank insist companies in implementing share buybacks by providing advice on timing, pricing, and executing the buyback in the market. Similarly, help companies with the valuation, strategizing by deal, and finding potential buyers for the assets in the case of disinvestment. How to get into investment banking? Investment banking business is one of the most complex and competitive structures of the financial sector. Before getting into investment banking, one should have a personal interest in finance, communication skill, interpretation, and analytical skills and personal attributes. However, the following points have to be taken into consideration for this purpose. First one is obtaining relevant and appropriate degree. Investment banking jobs are competitive jobs with their lots of complex activities. A proper high level education degree is required to enter this field. Some of such qualification includes BSc in finance investment or chartered financial analyst, financial risk manager and certificate in investment manager and portfolio management. Second point is participating in an internship. Degree are not enough to get you a job to understand the complexity of the financial market. One should gain experience by participating in internship programs to at investment bank cooperative educational program or entry level jobs in financial or accounting. Third one is working on strong analytical and communication skills. Investment banker have to deal with massive data every day. It's important to work on analytical skill to understand complex financial data. Not only analyzing and understanding is enough. One should have good communication skills to convey such data interpretation to their clients. Such expertise come with practice, coursework, and extracurricular activities. Fourth one is building a network. Building a network and connecting to professionals is another mantra is to grow in this career. Attending network events, career fairs, and informational Interviews are step to building such connections. Besides, technology makes it easier by providing online platform LinkedIn to contact with such professionals from any part of the world. Fifth one is interview preparation. All the knowledge and experiences shall be executed to crack an interview. Be smart enough to answer technical and behavioral questions. Learn to communicate your skill and personal attribute along with justifying where such skills and attributes make you perfect for a job. Sixth and last one is continuous upgradation process. Gradation process investment banking businesses is not just complex but also versatile due to the continuously changing nature of the financial market and economic affairs. So to grow in the field of person shall be open to the learning process and upgradation courses to grab the opportunity coming on the way. Thank you.